Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys, and I have your special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So, that will follow this general energies. So let's start with these cards first. We have 10 of Swords, 3 of Wands in reverse, and 7 of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are facing some stressful situation, some troubles in your situation. Maybe something is not up to your expectation. You may have work related stress. You may be seeing some delays or suspensions. Something is not going as you expected for yourself, guys. And in your career, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So some kind of troubles in your situation, guys, and maybe there is someone suggesting you certain things, guys. They are giving you some advice what you need to do today, or regarding some things. Maybe it may be about this difficulties you are facing today, guys, Taurus. So they are suggesting you or giving you some ideas how to clear that, or how to find a solution for your situation today, guys, Taurus. But you are not ready to listen. Maybe you are not taking their advice or not taking their counsel, or you don't want to listen to their ideas, and you are doing your own things in your own way. And maybe it may be a good advice because when we see our situation from a different perspective, we may find the right solution. So it may be a good solution they are giving you, but you are not ready for that, ready to accept that, guys, Taurus. And Taurus, I also see that whatever disappointments or whatever troubles that you were facing till now, guys, you are going to see the end of troubles. Things are going to fall into place. You will be seeing a gradual shift in the way things are going. So things are going to go in a very positive way for you all, guys, Taurus. So it may be in your career or personal life, whatever troubles you are facing, it is simply going to resolve today, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe with this card, something you trusted or something you believed for this relationship or for this love, that has been lost, or your trust has been broken. So this may be your energy or their energy. That may be the reason for stress or this pain you are having today, guys, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Ace of Wands in reverse, guys. So you are seeing success, or you are seeing that opportunities or offers coming in your career situation, but you need to put in lot of efforts and you need to use all your skills and talents to hold on to the success. So it requires a lot on your part to hold on to the success or this positive changes happening in your career situation, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading, guys, Taurus. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading, that special reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means just means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.